Shores of Panama is the place to be in. Unit 1817 with a master on the Gulf, amazing balcony. You want to see it. Come with me.
Don't open up my mind. They won't leave this room behind. They wanna peek inside. Peek inside my mind. Had to clean up all her mess. Set my house on fire. Break the chains, I'm coming through. Try to catch me lying fools. Ask me twice, won't blink my eyes. 'Cause this is my life. I fucking thrive. Ride or die. Peek inside my mind. Bring my lights with me to bed. See, I'm the saint of my pretend. I'm gonna walk away with my head up straight.
Are you ready to make a move? Don't you wish you were here? Give me a call.